Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Magento 2, and specifically we will exploring the powerful design pattern called dependency injection. But before we jump in, let's imagine you are baking a cake. You need ingredients, right? Flour, sugar, eggs, the list goes on. Instead of running around the kitchen mixing everything yourself, it would be much easier if someone handed you the prepared ingredients one by one as you need them. That is that is the essence of dependency injection. Why is a dependency injection important in Magento 2? Magento 2 heavily relies on dependency injection, making it a core principle of its architecture. This this brings several advantages. Loose coupling. Classes become less dependent on each other as they rely on injected dependencies, not concrete implementations. This makes the code more flexible and easier to maintain. Testability. By injecting dependency explicitly, you can easily isolate and test individual classes without needing the entire Magento environment. Also, extensibility. Dependency injection allows you to easily swap out different implementations of the same interface, enabling smooth plugin development and customization. Let's go to the actual code now, and we will assume we have a category has method get name, and we need to use this method in a product class. First, I will click here in PHP store and click Command N in the Mac or Control N in the Windows. I will initialize the constructor, and I will inject the category here in the product. We will see here our category class, and I will to initialize the properties. I will click Option Enter on the keyboard to initialize the properties. I will, this is automatically initialization from PHP store. I will just remove this one. Now we have our category injected into the product class. Okay, now I need to get the category name. So I will make new function here called function get category name, return type string, and I will get the category name from the method we have just from our category class. Return this category. We will find here our method get name from PHP store. Now we have successfully injected our category and use its method get name for the category. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Magento 2 dependency injection. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please tap the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos.